Betul. Come. Kepo di depan sini ada. I say you want to go?
I want to take my photo too.
Okay, I want jump.
Okay, both of you jump then. Better be wet. Because he has his shoes.
Okay, jump.
Your shoes, this one is not waterproof.
Do video.
This is video now. This is video now.
Jump. Apa jump? Jump, Aaron.
Okay, jump.
I want to my.
Yeah, be wet later. It's okay then. Then you have to walk wet.
Jump. It's wet already. Jump. 1, 2.
Up to you. You want to jump?
Just jump. It's okay.
It's- Go there then. Go there. Go climb higher. Climb higher and then jump. Do a backflip, baby. Backflip, remember?
I want to basket.
Okay, do it. Oh!
Come here, Aaron. Come. Here. Take photo with us. Good. Baby, come. Aaron. Aaron? Yeah. Come. It's so small. Yeah, nice.
Cool.
I don't know. It's like
Here you come.
uncomfortable. It's like the pressure inside. It's like really good.
It's okay. All these are natural water. How you want to go to jungle like this?
We're in a jungle now.
No, how about if we have an apocalypse? How you gonna survive?
Yeah, obviously.
Okay, go there. You wanna go with Papa there?
Come, baby. Nice.
Now we take photo. Go. Where did you put your phone, Brains?
This would have been nicer if I had my water. Oh, very nice. Come, nice. Car. Come.
Brains, let him do if you wanna go.
Okay, you want this one?
Yeah, mommy. There.
Photo.
Okay, mommy, go first.
Hey, you take my photo here or not?
Photo not yet, only video there. You go then. Take.
Come, baby. Okay, you don't lie down. Just stand here like this.
Go there, Papa.
No, wait. Come. Come. Baby. Come, baby.
Okay, go.
Just here.
We have a lake behind us and waterfall in front of us. It's so beautiful.
Okay, look at mommy there. Look at mommy.
Yeah, go. Just go, explore.
Baby, come. Here. Oh, you sit here, come.
It's not tall, baby. You're taller.
Come. It's not cold. I'm getting used to it. Okay, just take photo here, come. You sit here.
It's not deep, baby. You're very tall.
No.
Okay, so
It's okay, you don't want. Up to you.
okay, mommy take photo. Okay, go. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys.